Welcome to another episode of step-by-step tutorials. In this video, we will learn how to make the random color generator with the HEX method. There is a first part of this video where I built the same project with the RGB method. Link is in the description below. In this video, I will not be talking about the HTML and CSS because it is the same in the RGB method. So if you want the step-by-step tutorial for the HTML and CSS for this project, then I suggest you click the link in the description below. So, what is a hex color? A hex color is a 6-digit combination of numbers and letters defined by its mix of red, green, and blue. If I click the change color button to generate a color, its hex color code comes with it. As you can see, it starts with a hashtag and then 6-digit combination of numbers and letters. The numbers range from 0 to 9 and then the letters range from A to F. Now that we have that out of the way, let's get to the coding part. First, we target our HTML elements. So we type const btn for our change color button, then const color code for our span with ID color. Next, we need to create an array and name it HEX. This array will contain all the numbers and letters that make up the HEX color code. So we type const HEX equals array brackets, and then we input the numbers 0 to 9 and then letters A to F. Since we will be generating a random color, it is obvious that it will not be possible without generating a random number. So let's create a function for generating a random number. Here we go. The hex.length over here means we are simply telling our function to generate a random number that is not more than the length of our hex array. Next, let's target our button and add a click event. Every hex color code begins with a hashtag, so let's define that first. Let hex color equals hashtag. Next, we need to create a for loop which will run 6 times. In each of these loops, a random number which is not more than the length of our hex array will be generated. Each of these 6 random numbers will correspond to a character in our hex array. These corresponding characters will be added to the hashtag to form the hex color code. So here we go. Now that we are done creating our hex color code, we need to add it to the body tags CSS as the background color. We also need to print the hex color code for the user to see. We target the color code element for that. Now let's try to generate a color and see. So our code is working fine. As I said earlier, there is a first version of this project which is the RGB method. The link is in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if possible, leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video.